Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rhonda and I'm also known as the Sparkly One. Today I just wanted to share with you some of these bunnies and bears and kittens that I've been crocheting in the past 8 months. And I've given a lot away as gifts. And as a matter of fact, this one right here is going to be a gift. It is going to a dear friend of mine. Her name is Sandy and she's a huge Dodger fan. And she's just gonna love this. And I just wanted to share kind of what I did with this pattern. So it's made the same exact way as this one. The patterns are from Little Cotton Rabbits. Julie Williams is the creator. And this is the pattern right here. It's the same exact pattern except for this is a bear and this is a bunny. And I used a smaller yarn, smaller needle over here, and this one, of course, a little bit larger. This is a worsted weight yarn, and this one, so size 4 worsted weight yarn, and this is, I believe it's about a size 1 or a 2. It's a light yarn that is from Hobby Lobby, and it is really thin and beautiful and so soft. I just love this one. And it fits right in the palm of your hand. And it's called the Mini Bunny Bear Pattern. And I'll put that in the description box below. And so as you can see, you can get different sizes as far as what yarn and what needle that you're gonna use. So this one, I'm just gonna show you. Look how cute she is. Oh my goodness. I just wanna squeeze her. She's so soft. And let me just show you the construction. So under here, it's all made in one piece. So from the dress down, you make the dress first, and then you attach the yarn, and you're going to make a body and the legs all in one piece. And it looks like she's wearing little undies. It's so cute. You're going to love this pattern. It takes a little bit of practice and finesse, but you can do it. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to show you my first amigurumi by Julie Williams that I made. Hold on. Okay, don't laugh. Here it is. So this is the very first one that I made. And I made her just kind of like haphazardly, only because I had no idea what I was doing. And I had to learn all the new stitches, and it was a very time-consuming project for me. I'm glad I did it with a bigger needle and a bigger yarn, because it gave me the opportunity to see all the stitches and try to figure out all the different videos that I had to watch. So she does leave a link to some tutorials that you can watch on the different stitches, and that is super helpful. So anyway, and this, as you can see, it's made in the same way as the other. And I had no experience making these knitted toys at all. So this is my very first one. So that's not too bad. But when you see this one, you just go, wow. So that just shows you that the more you make, the better you get. And I'm just so thrilled. I can't even believe that I made that. And let me show you. So let me show you this one. This is the very last one that I've made. So this is, how far I've come. Whoops, she has a little needle to hold on the little ball. So anyway, this one is not perfect either. Each one is just going to be a little different. As you can see, the shoulder is a little higher on that side. Her head's a little crooked. Each one is just individual, and I think that makes it really fun. And for her, what I did, let me get rid of this pin. So the only addition that I made to this one was these little shorts. So I took a pattern that came from the small bunny pattern, and I just adapted them to make them a little longer and fit here. So I kind of just made up my own length and all that stuff. And they just slip right on, as you can see. And it kind of looks like she's got baseball, shorts on. And I love that. I think it's really fun. I was going to put some red stitching here on the little dots because it looks like little balls to me. And that's, I kind of designed the pattern right here myself. And then of course I did some sewing on of the LA right there. And that's just, you know, yarn, just like this, that I used for that. So, and then I looked up a tutorial right here on embroidery, and I came up with this little rose for her head. So I think she is adorable. And then of course, she has a big fluffy tail, and I just tied it under here so it can come off. So on Amazon, I bought a box of stands, and they are plastic stands. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay. So I have this little kitten on a stand. And like I said, I just bought these on Amazon. And whoops, what did I drop? Oh, her little purse. Let me drop her to the ground. There's the stands. So I think I got 10 of these for $7. So I'll link that in the description box as well. And they are adjustable. So as you can tell, that is the tallest one. Okay, so I have this measuring stick. So these are about 8 inches tall, right there. So like I said, these are 8 inches tall, and then all you do is connect it right here on the back of the neck, like that. But as you can see, this one is much smaller. So you can slide this down, up or down, and so you can use it for the small bunny, or the small bear. Here's the little bear. So it looks, she's probably just a little too small, but you have this whole extra piece here. So you could probably take some wire cutters or something and cut that if you want. So, you know, maybe you could tie a bow or something on that. So let me put the other bunny on there. Okay, got my Dodger bunny. So she's a little bit taller than that really small one, but in between the other one. So if I put her on this stand, as you can see, it just has a little bit that's showing right here, which isn't too bad. So you could probably tie a bow here, or like I said, you can cut that piece. How cute is she? So I think that my friend is really gonna love her. She is adorable. So I'm gonna show you the ball. So this ball is very tiny. It is, look, it's about 1.5 inches in diameter. I've never knitted a ball before, but they're really, really tiny, and you have like 4 or 5 needles that you're working on at the same time. But I think it turned out so cute. The stitching's not perfect because it's kind of difficult, as you can see from this picture right here, that I put all of these pins in there, and then I kind of just did the design of a baseball stitching pattern. And one by one, I just went into each pinhole and then took the pin out as I was working along the stitch line. So as you can see, it's adorable. And if it gets a little flat or something like that, you know, remember like when you did Play-Doh in school and you could roll it around in your hand and make a ball? That's all you have to do to get it back into its shape. And it's so cute. I just love it. And where's my little bear? I mean bunny. So all I did was take a pin, a long pin, long straight pin, and then I just poke it in there just like that, and just, you know, let her hold it. I think it's so cute. So anyway, I'll show you the rest of my little cotton rabbits and other patterns that I have created recently, and here we go. How cute is this little bunny with a bunny in its pocket? Oh my goodness, I just love it with these little overalls. Cute, cute, cute. And this one here with the long tail, and she has her little purse, but I dropped it with the little bunny in it. Oh, and she has a necklace that I made. It's a squirrel necklace. Look how cute that is. What cat doesn't love a squirrel? And this one's my little princess with her little tiara, and I made that from wire and some beads. And her little bunny dress. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. That's the first time I've ever done intarsia, and it was a little difficult for me, I'm not gonna lie. And I also blocked the dress, which you can't tell because I had such a tight tension on this because I did not know what I was doing, but now I can probably do it a little bit better next time. But look how cute she is. And she's got her little bloomers on too. So cute. And this is Ray the reindeer. He was my second little cotton rabbits pattern that I ever did, and oh my goodness, I just love him. He's so cute. He has the cutest little face. I cannot believe I even made this on my second attempt. So you could totally do this. I have faith in all of you. As long as you watch the tutorials that are linked to the pattern, I don't think you're going to have any problems. And yes, they don't turn out perfect, or no, they don't turn out perfect, but they're yours and they're unique and they are adorable. This one I think was my third or fourth one that I made, and look how cute she is. She's made with a really nice, they're all made pretty much from Hobby Lobby's yarns, and I just love these yarns. They're just really soft and real beautiful, just so beautiful. How cute is this little polka dot dress? And this is the only crocheted one I have up here. And I have crocheted a squirrel, I've crocheted a horse, and a few other crocheted amigurumis, and I think she is really precious. And I have a tutorial for this little edging that goes on a little baby blanket. If you're interested, I will link that right here in the top corner and also in the description box. And this kitty up here is actually made by Mary Jane's Tearoom, and I can link that in the description box below too. I got that on Etsy. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this little look at all of these amigurumi toys that I've been making, and I will see you later. Don't forget to subscribe.